Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a WordPress blog for beginners. To start, choosing a reliable web host is crucial. Many providers offer a straightforward one-click WordPress installation, making setup simple. Once installed, log into your new WordPress dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub, where you will manage all aspects of your site. Take a few moments to navigate around and get comfortable with its layout and options. Creating your first blog post is an exciting step. From your dashboard, locate posts on the left sidebar and select Add New. This opens the post editor, where you can give your article a strong title at the top. Below the title, the versatile block editor allows you to seamlessly add paragraphs, headings, images, and even embedded videos. You can easily drag and drop elements or use the plus icon to explore more content blocks. Making your blog visually appealing helps it stand out. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes you can install and activate under the Appearance menu. Each theme provides different customization options for fonts, colors, and layout. You can also easily create custom navigation menus and add widgets to your sidebar or footer, enhancing functionality and guiding your readers. Spend some time experimenting to find a look that truly represents your content. Before going live, consider adding a few crucial plugins. Tools for search engine optimization, like Rank Math or Yoast SEO, can significantly boost your visibility, while security plugins protect your site from threats. Once your content is ready and polished, proofread it thoroughly one final time. When you are confident, click the Publish button located on the top right. Your new post will then be live for everyone to read and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.